How's it going, guys? It's Cole here, and today I just saw we got a new series. I know I have a bunch of series, but I think we're gonna have to have a series. This is gonna be a channel with a bunch of series, but this one's. But I just decided to thought of a name called Builds, and Cole's Builds. We got Wakanda Forever, Black Panther: War on the Water. Oh, that sounds a good name. So without further ado, let's get in. Let's get to the building. We're just doing an unboxing. Let's see, okay. Bag number 1. Bag number 4. Bag number 2. Bag number 3. Bag number 5. This big manual. And that's it. Okay, so get to the table so I have to have a long so I don't have to reach even further. So we got here is as I call the series, Cole's Builds. So we got Black Panther, King Namor, Okoye, M'Baku, Ironheart Mark II. And I actually got this idea from a friend of mine. Like, a friend texted me this, I should do an unboxing and build it on film. So, we got this one, that's our first one, M'Baku. I think, yep, he's in. So we got, let's get a better look. Hopefully this phone doesn't fall. Oh, and this is the hair. This is the very first, and it's the only M'Baku figure in stores. So we just got this from Target today. So we've got this weapon here. Got that. So, okay. So, okay. This might take a really long time for me to build this. Hold on. I'll be back in a moment. Actually, never mind. Got it figured out. Let's see. We got this. Oh, I actually hit myself in the face. Got this whole thing, this page. So I need to find this this piece. Yep, found it. Got that. See, got this. Okay. see. Set's pretty big, so it's going to take me a long time to get this built. And it takes me a long time to build Lego sets like these, but I don't know how to edit, so I don't know how to do the settings for fast forwarding. So I'm going to try to learn though. Oh, ignore that noise. Like, ignore that. See here. Okay. Okay. Nope, ignore the noises. And the noises in the back, just ignore them. You know this sign right there means do not shoot at people, because they actually kind of sting. So, let's see. Yeah, that's my sister's dog, Kumar, who's making all that noise back there, if you can hear it. Oh, I don't even know this one. There's a bunch, this one's stickers, but this is part I don't really like is stickers, because it's hard to put them on there. Ooh. That part is you know, we'll just ignore that part for now. I don't know where they are. Oh, that's Kumar barking. If you heard Kumar barking, just ignore that. Yeah, I know, and I think this video is gonna be pretty quiet. Okay. Yeah, I know Kumar's barking here, but I think yeah, it's distracting me from the video, kinda, not really, but just try not to get distracted from Kumar barking. Oh, this one's a new one. This one we got. Oh wait. No, Kumar is like. Oh wait, so Kumar is actually like been around. Like my sister, he was 3 months old and it's like September. Yeah, he's a little puppy, but ignore him. But I'll hold on. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, back to the video. I had to tell Kumar to stop. Yep, he's barking. Just ignore him. Yeah. It's 4. Okay, so killed 4 of these. Okay, so yeah, Kumar's. So we got this. Yeah, this, but I don't know where I put I don't know where the stickers went. I don't want to open the other bags yet till the manual says to. Oh yeah, this one you might have to measure on there, and I think it should be the perfect size. Yep. Let's see. So I'm not even showing you, so that's why I got myself distracted. I think Kumar stopped. He might bark again though. Got 4. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. This is it. I think this might be a really long video I filmed a long time. I think the longest ones could be probably one of the first times I filmed. Okay, got this. Okay. Oh, just talking to myself. I sometimes do that a lot. So we got these 2 in. Oh yeah, it's another one of these, the ones to measure, so let me see. Okay, so this is really hard. Oh, yeah, those are hard. Just give me one moment. Oh God, hang on. Hold on. I'm gonna check on Kumar in a moment. Kumar's okay, but I just want to ignore him barking though. But he's fine though. I just let him out earlier before the video, and he's fine. I went to go check on him and he's fine. Just letting you guys know. So let's just get right to this. So what have I gotten to so far? Let's see. Oh, yeah. He's still working, but though. Oh, these are hard. Yeah, Kumar. He's fine. Sometimes he just sometimes wants attention. Get this. Whoa. Oh. I'm starting to... Sometimes things make me stress out a lot, but I'm gonna try to get through it though. Yep, got that. Now, okay. Got that. So this, just to warn you guys, this video might get paused a lot, so it's just a warning. Okay, so I don't remember. I think so. I'm gonna show you again. Yep. Okay. That. So you need two of these. So we got two of those. We got one of those. Need two of these. That one go. Oh, found him. Sitting right here. They're sometimes hard to find. I've been dealing with that off film. Those other times I've been building them, we're off camera. Let's see. Yeah, this is like those custom Lego things I built. Like they're kind of like custom. So I built like whatever I build of my own. Oh, almost knocked it off. Okay, got these. This page, so we got all this. This. Okay, there you go, got it. That's not. That's actually not it. Oh. I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh yeah, I feel like I'm hiding this from you guys, but I'm not trying to hide it. Let's see. Yep. Oh, got it. Oh, I think I should build the same thing for that side too. Yep, should build the same thing for that side too. So I'm gonna get to that, and then we'll put them both on together. Like, we're not gonna look at the manual, build it, because that's just for the other side. Oh, dropped it. So we got both of these. Like, it's like if you like have like a little sword. Alright. Oh, this page, ignore that one, but this one, because this is the same thing for the other wings, I mean for the other half, so the one for the other side, but this one, just focus on. So we got this page, about to 23 minutes. So and we could do the same thing with that too. So it's actually for right there. So we need one more piece. Let's get some spare pieces left. So we still got some spare pieces left right here. Finally got them. Number 3. Let's move this all out of the way. I haven't filmed Legos in a while. Like, there's some old videos from about 3 years ago that I've filmed, and I've not done it in so long. Bag number 2. I actually had another Wakanda Forever, Black Panther Wakanda Forever set, but that one actually was not on camera. Like, it had King Namor, Atuma, and Shuri. I think there was another character, I don't even know. a spear. So we got 2 characters built from the movie. There's actually, I mean, I shouldn't have to tell you that because you probably already know that. You do. But we've got 2 of the characters built. So, alright, so that's what is right there. So I'm gonna also show you another page. So you need 4 of these pieces, and exactly what I found. Oh, knock the 2 like good characters over. That you probably haven't seen it. I mean, let's see. Let's see. I'm not even showing you. So I'm gonna have to put. Oh, I got the perfect spot. Let's see if we have to have that one for this side too. I'm gonna guess that. Right here too. Yep, as you see here, I think it is. Right on this page. So let's see here. Let's see. Yep, we got this. Let's see what we got. Exactly what I got. Exactly the perfect spot right on that first page there. Oh, it's right here. Oh. Found that. And there we go. Got that. And we got it. Yep, we got that. And I keep forgetting to do this to show you this page, just so you know. So. don't think we should have had to get to that part yet. No, it's really quiet. You know, let's see. Oh, found it. So you got that. Got this. Let's see. Got it. Got all that. And okay. All this.